Hi fam, welcome again to another episode of my DIY series. Yeah, we are all badass women, okay? Yeah, so I'll be walking you through this wonderful style, how I styled myself, okay? This feed in style. And for this style, I'll be using the expression collection. Okay, this expression extension color 30, 33, thereabout. So I think I actually used one bundle and a half of this pack. Then I went on to cut it into three, right? So I used the cut three for this style. And as you can see, guys, then of course you need to, let's do this thing they do to the tip of your attachment, okay? To make it, give you the pencil tip look. All right. So some people call it shuffle. So you shuffle the tip of your. So I'm going for a box braid style. This is the first part of the whole style. So this is a box braid for the back. Right. Think about 3 layers. Then I'll be going in with the Eco Styling Gel. Like I said, I did not relax my hair, but I actually wanted something that I will take for a very long time. So this happened. Right then, I'll be going with these pins and clips. Guys, there is more to beauty than we can imagine. All right, you can style your hair, you can style yourself. I mean, with anything and everything. It is just about how you put these things together. Guys, so I actually used my studs and dropping earrings to also style. I mean, if you see this outside, you're like, oh my god, what is this? It's quite expensive. It's not expensive as such. It's just the idea. Oh my god. I mean, like, just check out this lady looking like some Indian preparing for a dance. LOL. And that is it about the style. I hope you enjoyed this part of my DIY series. If you do not forget to like, guys, and we'll definitely come up with more clips for your view. Okay, stay well, stay safe, and catch you in our next video. Bye.